Hey guys, Havasu out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. We're on our way to check out a listing that just came back out on the market. It sits on a pretty big lot and it has a big 36 by 36 detached workshop slash garage with a 9-foot door. We're gonna go check it out, hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we're out here at 3586 Oakcreek Lane. It's a great little cul-de-sac location. All nice houses around. Super quiet. So you do have a little side parking right there, but just probably for a car or something small. Do have a good amount of side parking on this side, plenty of room for RV, and there's that detached garage in the back we're going to check out too. So let's go on and check it out. Nice little front courtyard. Actually have a little peekaboo view of the lake off your front door here. Pretty cool. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath built in 1994, 1,535 square feet. It sits on a pretty big cul-de-sac lot, 12,197 square feet. Has that nice 36 by 36 detached garage out back with a 9-foot door, so we're gonna go check that out as well. So it does have the split floor plan and vaulted ceilings, open living for sure. It's a nice little river house. That's a pantry door right there. So again, this is a split floor plan. So the master is on one side. So you have your master right here. It's a pretty good size master. Has a good size walk-in closet. This is the master bath. Only has one sink. Let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have the other 2 bedrooms and guest bath on the other side of the house behind the kitchen. You have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Just your standard setup with your sliding closet doors. Got plans of the addition in the back there in case you're interested. So you have bedroom number 3 at the back of the house. Let's go check out the garages. So you got your indoor laundry and your man door to the garage. So this is just your standard 2-car garage. It's got a 30-foot bay, 7-foot doors. Perfect little river house. Got your RO, your water softener, your water heater. All right, so this sits on a pretty big lot, over 12,000 square feet, and they built this this garage workshop on the back here. So there's still a ton of room back here for a pool, or even add on to this existing garage addition and put like a casita back here or something. I mean, there's a ton of room to do whatever you want. This thing looks like it was just built. You got a ton of side parking. Let's go on in and check this thing out. All right, so it's all finished in here. They also have 220 as well as RV hookups. 9-foot door, needs an opener. There's a skylight in here. So this is 36 by 36. It's a pretty big space. You can do a lot in here. Hey guys, Havasu back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video walk through the house over here on Oakcreek Lane. It checks a lot of boxes for a lot of people. If you guys have any questions about it, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. I'll also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can see the original listing pictures, current price, and all that good stuff. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.